3, 2, 1, go!
And we're off our first match of finals. Finally, quickly scoring in that fight line.
That's the one that worked.
The Nuts, fortunately, not getting on there and missing their yellow pixel on that left side. But able to score in that left side with the yellow pixel and get their nice spike line. Jargon Droids and Juniper so far getting everything they want. And Jargon Droids really score on the correct side and Mark. It's a strong power from Red, but he's going to go back and back to the Blue Lions.
3, 2, 1.
Juniper might be having some issues. They want to play defense here. They're not scoring. This could be problematic for them. If they give them a match here, it could be hard to come back. As they're running their strongest pairing, meanwhile, the Blue Lions may not be. Running into gyro droids, but they have more pushing power. They have the advantage here. They could finally, the robot stopped. That collision stopped their robot. That evens out this match. It's now the Nuts against the Gyromanic droid scoring. And the Nuts are fighting an uphill battle here. They struggle to get out. They're going to struggle all the way. Two long offenses. Blocking access to the wing there. They technically could stay there because there is another path of going into pass for the Nuts to pass.
Go, Troy!